Hello guys, J&M here. Some of you wanted to know where to get the latest development news about Blender 2.8. First of all, you have to know that Blender 2.8 is under development, so you will find the download in the section Latest Experimental Builds on this page here. You can get Blender 2.8 for Windows, Linux and Mac OS. You don't need to install it, just get the zip file, unpack and then start it. But how do you know when there's something new and interesting that you would like to check out? The first resource that I would like to show you is the Blender developers blog. Here you can find articles about the latest development, and if you are interested in details, like for instance the design of particular features, you can also get this information from here. The page also contains planning overviews where you can see who is working on what and when it will be finished, but it's just a big picture, not a detailed project plan. If you are interested in more detailed information, you can visit the developer portal where you can register for free. As you can see here, I already did this, and then you can have a look at the development projects of Blender like BF Blender 2.8 or the code quest which they are currently working on. As a registered user, you have the possibility to watch projects, and then you get an email when there are changes and activities to the project. In the members section you can see who is working on the project, and when you open the workboard you get an overview of the backlog, what they are currently working on, which tasks are in review or done. On YouTube I follow the Blender.today channel, on which each Monday a new video is uploaded, most of the time live streams, in which the developers show and explain the latest implementations and features. Another great resource on YouTube about the latest Blender features is the channel Blender Developers. I try to grab and aggregate this information and also provide it on my channel and present it to you by using simple examples. I also created a playlist called Blender 2.8 News and Features, to which I add all my videos about this topic. Alright guys, that's how I stay up to date with the development of Blender 2.8. I hope you liked this video, and if you like my channel then please don't forget to subscribe. Perhaps you want to support me, then please be my patron, this would really help a lot. Thanks for watching and see you on J&M.